If you've clicked on this video, it's because you've probably browsed hundreds of iPad reviews and unboxings on YouTube, and you're trying to make your mind up whether you want the 12.9 or whether you want the 11-inch. I've done the same and I can't find a very good answer, to be honest. So what I did is I went to the Apple Store and I tried them both. And thankfully for you, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what size you want to go for. So let's dive into this. Gonna make this easy. For a start, if you already have the 12.9, you're going to want to buy the 12.9. No matter what, if you have the 12.9 now, you're going to buy the 12.9 next. Now, if you have the 10.5 already, you're probably thinking that the 12.9 is unwieldy, it's a beast, and it's just simply too big. Well, that could be the case, but let's have a look at this. The 11-inch iPad Pro, when you're in half split, you get a compact width. With the 12.9, you're going to get the regular width when in the half split view. So, I went there, I tried both. Now, I am very much a 10.5 guy. That 12.9 wasn't even on my radar at all, and if I didn't have any kind of opportunity to test these, without a doubt, I'm going 11, 100%. I'm going to tell you right now, do not order the 11. Yeah, I can hear you. You're telling me that you travel, that you like to use it on planes, on trains. Do not buy the 11. I've been to the store, and the second you go for the 12.9 and you hold it, you are 100% sold on the 12.9. Unless you want a big iPhone. If that is your use case and you want to be able to literally take it in your man bag, then fair dues, 11. But if you're going to that point, then you may as well just buy the normal iPad and be done with it. If you're buying the iPad Pro because you're buying the iPad Pro, then that is what you need to be using it for. And as such, without a doubt, the 12.9. It's light, it's manageable, it's absolutely bang on perfect size. So fear not. If you've ordered the 11, cancel it. If you've got any doubts, it's 12.9 all the way. Just go to the store, and the second you see that 12.9, that's the one for you, baby. So now you know, you can stop looking at reviews, you can stop reading. It's 12.9 all the way. And as usual, guys, it's been emotional.